Yes, ma'am. If you want to understand, we can understand
No,
on
ma'am.
board only.
Yes. Okay. Good morning once again. Good morning to all of you.
Ma'am, I want to tell you something.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Happy
please.
New Year, ma'am.
Same to you.
Ma'am, I too,
We
ma'am.
are.
My
Uh,
notebooks are finished. First one I have take 100 pages when it is fully finished. The second one was 200 pages, that is also fully finished. And in the third one it is also 200 pages and my 36 pages are finished.
ready to finish it full also. Okay. So prepare also to finish that also now.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, we wish school.
Me too, miss school. Can't do anything. Mute your mics and let everyone join. We'll wait 1 or 2 minutes for the students to join. Be ready. With the notebook. Yesterday I have started. And then turn on your camera. This. Yes. Vedant, turn on your camera. Suchi, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am,
Huh?
you said today is CET.
No, no, today is not CET. I'll take Tuesday. I will take CET because Monday you don't have class. So I take CET on Tuesday. Okay? Because there is one more still topic is there which is left, which you all know. Few of the students, those who are coming offline, but the online students they need some practice in that. So I will take on Tuesday. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Only one last topic is left, which I have given you the brief description about this, brief explanation I have done in the last class. That post office, when you send a letter which is having weight, or a parcel which is having weight through the post office, when you send, the post office charge some amount on it, right? And how they charge, they have the rate list in their post office. That is depend on them how they charging, and that also not fixed from every post office to post office, and state to state also it is different. Suppose you are in Gujarat, the rates are different, and when you post the parcel from some another state, the rates are different. And
Ma'am,
it
your voice is cut.
when you are posting, now it is coming, Manya. When you are sending a parcel to another state, then also the rates are different. When you are sending the parcel from Gujarat, then also the rates are different, but the they will give you the specific list of the rates, which will be always there in the post office. So you have to check the rate list, and you have to find out. And when you are sending a parcel to someone, it is compulsory for you also to know what is the charges, extra charges you have to pay to the post office. Yes or no? Yes. And how do you know? When you know how to calculate, वहां तो उन्होंने रेट लिस्ट लगा रखी है. They don't know what is your parcel weight. You, according to the rate list, you have to find out what is your parcel weight. They will not find out. They will give you the certain guidelines that you have to follow this rate list, and according to that you have to take out what is your weight. So once you
Yes,
know how to calculate, then only you know how to do it. Yes or no? Ane, I know you know it because you have learned in the offline class. So now more practice I'm giving on these sums. Please turn your camera is upside down. Turn it properly. Kevan, you are late in the class. Again, this will be done. You will be late always in the class.
no, ma'am, because it is saying no one else is here.
I don't know how it is saying no one else. We are 19, 18, 19 students. Along with the students, I am also here.
Ma'am, in her mobile there was network issue.
Her or his?
His.
Uh, Okay. So now I'm giving you the condition. First, I will discuss the conditions which are given in your textbooks. Then I will give you my own conditions, and we have to take out the price. Same way, when the conditions are applying given from the post office, so you will learn how to calculate the price. Am I clear? Okay. So according to your book, page number 145, first condition is given. You have to see the table, postal rates. There it is given that letter weighing, अगर आपको लेटर भेजना है उसका वेट है, सपोज वी सेंड सम पार्सल्स इन द लेटर, नहीं राखी एनवलप में ही भेज देते हैं, बड़ा बिग पार्सल नहीं बनता राखी का, राइट? So उसका that weight is little light compared to if you are sending some another thing as a parcel. Sometimes you also receiving the parcel from Amazon and you know, they also charge extra charges for delivery charges as a parcel charges. Yes or no? And they also have some fixed criteria कि इतना parcel होगा so we will charge this much amount, और parcel का weight उससे ज़्यादा होगा so we will charge this much amount. Clear? So depend on the weight of the parcel, they charge the parcel rates. The first condition is 20 grams or less. 20 grams or less, you have to pay rupees 5. And the second condition is for every, no need to write, I will give you the sums which you will write. This sum just for the explanation. For every additional 20 grams, rupees 2. These are the rate list which is pasted or written somewhere in the post office, or if you ask them, they will give you the guidelines that these are the guidelines which you need to follow. Yes, Manya?
Excuse me, ma'am. Is if it is more than 20 grams, so
I'm coming on that only.
no, ma'am. I was telling about for every additional 200 grams rupees 2. What it means?
For every additional, where it is written in your textbook, it is written?
For every additional 200 grams. What is meaning of that?
200 grams is 20 grams.
Yes, ma'am. 20 grams.
I will explain that also. I'm
Okay.
coming on that. This is the just beginning of my class. Okay.
Ma'am,
Suppose these are the guidelines given to you. You first have to understand what are these guidelines means. Suppose your parcel weight is only 8 grams. Then you only have to pay rupees 5 because 20 grams or less than 20 grams तक अगर आपका weight है तो आपको rupees 5 तो देने ही देने हैं. Suppose if it is 18 grams also, then also you have to pay rupees 5. 19 grams, then also rupees 5. 20 grams, rupees 5. But what about more than 20 grams? अगर 21 grams or 22 grams, 25 grams है, तो क्या करना है? That we will understand in detail. Anay, put it down, bacha. I know you know this concept, beta. I know we have learned in the offline class. Stop and learn this now. So you all understood about the first condition? What does this line mean? 20 grams or less than 20 grams is rupees 5. Bhavya Sagar, if your parcel weight is 16 grams, how much you have to pay?
5 rupees.
Rajvi Lahoti, if your parcel weight is 6 grams, how much you have to pay?
5 rupees.
Manya, if your parcel weight is 2 grams, how much you have to pay?
5 rupees?
5 rupees. क्योंकि minimum 20 grams तक आपको 5 rupees तो देने ही है. Now the condition comes, what will happen when the parcel weight is more than 20 grams, which we will learn now. Suppose my parcel weight is 28 grams only. 28 grams. No need to write. Pay attention here on the board. I will give you more practice of writing sums. Right now, please pay attention here on the board only. Your parcel weight is only 20 grams. So according to the first condition, on the 20 grams, parcel weight is 28. First condition says 20 grams tak to you have to pay 5 rupees. So from 28 grams, you have to subtract the 20 grams. And on that 20 grams, you are paying rupees 5. Now your remaining grams are 8 grams. On that remaining 8 grams, you have to be charged according to the second condition for every additional 20 grams. Every additional 20 grams means 20 ग्राम से जितना भी ज्यादा है उस पे आपको 2 रुपीज के अकॉर्डिंग देना है. Am I clear, मान्या? For every additional 20 grams means 20 grams तक तो हमने 5 rupees पे किया. What about the remaining 8 grams? On that 8 grams, we will not pay according to rupees 5. We have to pay according to the second condition, which is rupees 2. Clear, everyone? Now, how much total they have to pay?
Hello, ma'am. I have one doubt.
And so
Let me
the
take-
total we have to pay 7 rupees, no?
Yes. On 28 grams, we have to pay rupees 7.
Ma'am,
Yes,
if
Manya, please ask.
So we
Ma'am,
have
Ma'am, how we have to pay
20
7
grams
rupees?
on 20
Means
grams we
it
take
is written for every
the
addition.
extra we will take 2 rupees.
Just a minute. Let a one child speak. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, it is written for every additional
Huh.
20 grams. So it is 28. You did 28 minus 20.
I
So
did
for
20
20
minus 20 means on the first 20 you have to pay according to the first condition. On 20 के बाद जितने भी additional है, next additionals, you have to pay according to the second condition. For every additional 20 grams, you have to pay according to rupees 2.
If it is 35 rupees, so we have to pay how much rupees?
I will calculate that also.
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose if your grams is 35 grams, yes. So from 35, first you subtract the first 20, which is according to the first condition, and you have to pay rupees 5. So the remaining is 15. On that 15, you have to pay according to the rupees 2, because every additional 20 grams तक आपको 2 rupees ही pay करने हैं. Then also it is 7.
Means
Manya?
if it is any number, means
Huh.
any number subtracted by 20.
First subtracted by 20 because the first condition is related with the 20. If your first condition is related with 10 grams or less than 10 grams, तो आप 10 less करोगे. 5 grams or less than 5 grams, तो आप 5 less करोगे. So first step आपका first condition के according minus होगा. और second step आपका second condition के according minus होगा. अगर यहाँ पर if it is 45 grams, okay. So first you subtract the 20, which is according to the first condition, and charge according to the first condition, which is 5.
Means first we have to give 5 rupees, then 2 rupees.
Now remaining
Five
is coming
plus 2 is equal
25.
to 27.
Now remaining is 25.
Yes.
Now on this 25, because every additional 20 grams तक तो आपका additional 20 grams तक तो आपको 2 rupees देना है. Again इस पे फिर भी 5 बच रहा है. On that also we will charge remaining के पे भी आपको second condition के according देना है, which is rupees 2, not according to the first condition.
Ma'am, I didn't get.
First condition will apply only one time, but on the remaining ones will apply like it is saying for every additional 20 grams. These are additional 25 grams, which is more than 20 grams.
Ma'am, what is meaning additional? I forgot that.
एडिशनल मीन्स कुछ और आपने ऐड किया. 45, फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर वेट इज 45 ग्राम्स. सो पहले 20 ग्राम्स पे तो आपका वेट 5 रुपीज है. एडिशनल 20 ग्राम्स मीन्स और 45 में और कितना अमाउंट ऐड है, और कितने ग्राम्स एडेड है? 25 ग्राम्स एडेड ना. एडिशनल मीन्स मोर एडेड.
Okay, ma'am.
So on the first one, 45 grams was the total. First 20 grams you have to pay. उसके बाद भी जितने बचते हैं सेकेंड स्टेप में भी ऑन एवरी एडिशनल मींस उसके बाद आप जितना भी ऐड करते जाते हैं ग्राम्स उस पे. सो सेकेंड स्टेप में भी 20 तक तो 2 रुपीज. उसके बाद अगर रिमेनिंग है देन ऑल्सो इट विल गो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेकेंड कंडीशन, नॉट विद द फर्स्ट कंडीशन. क्लियर?
Ma'am, means फर्स्ट कंडीशन के हिसाब से 5 रुपीज पे करना है. फिर
Yeah,
second
see,
condition
I
के-
speak in Hindi because I need to explain in both the languages. You speak in English only.
Okay, ma'am. So first we have to pay 5 rupees.
Yes.
Then
Always first condition we have to apply first.
okay, ma'am. So first in the post office we have to pay 5 rupees. Then second condition comes. In
So
that
now
we have
you have remaining 25 grams.
yes.
So on that 25 grams you have to pay according to the second condition. And the
Means,
second condition says till 20 grams you have to pay rupees 2. But it is 25 grams, so till 20 grams you pay 22 rupees. There is
Me-
still 5 grams remaining.
Yes, it is 5 grams is remaining. So total we have to pay 9 rupees.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
I will give you more sums for the practice, then it will better, you will be clear with this concept.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, please, Moksha.
Ma'am, I was saying that only that it is written for every additional 20 grams. So what it is meaning means if it is 20.
More than 20 grams. First is the 20 grams. More than 20 grams will be charged according to the second condition.
Okay, ma'am.
Now write down the question in your notebook, everyone. Letter
Ma'am, we
weight.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, we have to write this question or not?
Now write this in your notebooks. I have already told in the beginning what I am writing here on the screen, here on the board. Please write down in your notebooks. Letter weighing. Mute your mic, everyone. Jiga Singh, please write this now in your notebooks. Letter weighing 65 grams. First condition, 10 grams or less than 10 grams अगर आपका weight है, so you will pay rupees 4. For every additional 10 grams,
Ma'am, 4 or 5?
I can change the price. This is my conditions I am giving you. In different post office, the different rates are given to you. It is not fixed rate which we have to follow from the textbook only. Got it? We are learning how to calculate the price of the parcel, which with the different conditions. For every additional, write the word every, EVERY. For every additional 10 grams, rupees 2. And always remember, the first situation price will be higher, second situation price will be less. क्योंकि additional पे price हमेशा कम होता है, ज़्यादा नहीं. This is the common point.
Hello, ma'am. We have to write 65 grams and then.
Ma'am,
Yes, first
can
write
you
that.
write in normal? I don't know question that much.
Letter weighing 6. I have written not very tough.
Excuse me, ma'am. The first one after grams, what is after grams?
10 grams or less. Yes, Aradhya.
Now, what is written after 10 grams?
Or, O-R.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to first write question 1 letter length, then 165 grams, and then write the rules.
One will be here. One will be here on the one condition. 10 grams is. Letter weighing 65 grams is the first sentence. Next is 10 grams or less rupees 4. Second condition is for every additional 10 grams rupees 2.
Ma'am, you haven't written in the normal number. You have written in spelling 10.
What normal number, beta?
You have written spelling of 10.
Spelling of 10. I have written 1010. Which you are talking about, Vihan?
I thought, then I saw it was 4. 4. I thought you have written 10 spelling that.
It is FOR 4, not FOUR 4.
I'm saying that one only. I thought you have written 10 spelling.
Ma'am, I can see the answer.
Wait, Jigar Singh, let them solve. Because you have learned in the offline also, so let them practice. They also solve. Can I erase this question?
No, ma'am, I am writing the second rule.
Write the fast, write. This is the concept.
we will do
Hmm.
First, we will do 65 minus 10, 65 grams minus 10 grams. So it will be 55. So it will be for every additional 10 grams. So it will be for
Now,
2 rupees of cost.
now keep on subtracting every time 10 grams and charge the 2 rupees on the 10 grams. And find the price. Can anyone try this?
Ma'am, price is 9.
Price is 9.
No, ma'am, the price is 14 rupees.
Let me solve. Can I erase now? Moksh, you need to be fast, bacha.
Yes, ma'am, now you can erase.
I'm erasing the conditions also. Conditions you have to tell me. It was 65. First tense you have to be charged rupees 4. Now the remaining is 55. For every additional 10 grams means every 10 grams to be charged according to rupees 2. Subtract the 45. Again charge minus 10, then 2. The remaining is 35. Then again subtract 10. You have to be charged 2. Now the remaining is 25. You have to do till the last. You will not reach as the 0, or if the remaining something less than 0 or greater than 0 also coming, till that we have to do. Remaining is 25. On that 25 also will be charged.
Yes.
Minus 10.
Hello, ma'am.
According to second condition, 15. Most let me complete this, then I'll clear your doubt. Then also again minus 10 according to the second condition. Remaining is 5.
Ma'am, answer is 16.
First you have to pay always according to the first condition, then according to the additional condition. This you need to remember. And now it is 5. You say, ma'am, it is less than 5. Yes, but you have to charge on this also according to the second condition. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is the price which you have to pay for 65 grams. Yes, Moksha.
Ma'am, I was writing in straight manner, so now my page is over, so I can write inside.
That is the reason I have done in this way. No, when you write in the straight line, you will not able to subtract it properly.
I also did it straight.
So cut it and do it in this way.
Ma'am, can I give a sum?
But I've
Let them copy it down first.
I've hold on in straight. Now what?
Okay. Okay.
So I can write other in the second page.
Students, if you want to try one example, you can write in the chat box. We will discuss that also. Please write, everyone, if you are clear. Manya, you are clear now? Any confusion, any doubt? You know how to be charging on the additional ones?
Ma'am, now after 5 you have to not subtract it.
No, because 5 is the last. From 5 we cannot subtract 10 na. 5 ही बचे अब आपके पास. Only 5 grams are left. On that 5 grams it will be charged according to the second condition.
Ma'am, chat box is closed.
Okay, let me open the chat box. It's on now. I'm erasing it. I'll write one more question. Please write down fast.
Written.
Done. Okay, Moksha is writing letter weighing 32 grams. But Moksha, you need to give the conditions also, na? How much they are charging? Second question of your textbook, please do it. 200 grams is the parcel weight. The same procedure will be done in the letter as well as in the parcel. And the second condition you have to follow, parcel weighing 50 grams or less, rupees 5. For every additional 50 grams, rupees 3. Do this sum and tell me what is the answer coming.
Ma'am, in notebook or textbook?
Anywhere you can do. Find the answer and tell me.
Ma'am,
Either in the textbook or in the notebook.
you can say.
Yes, Suchi, tomorrow is holiday.
Ma'am, I can say the answer.
No, Jigar Singh, you have solved already in the class. Let everyone do this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, do we have holiday on 15, 16 and 17 dates?
I don't know, beta. You have to send your mail to the class teacher. Class teacher will revert you.
Ma'am, which number you have said?
It is on the page number 145, second question. 200 grams is the parcel weight. And parcel conditions are different, which is given in your textbook. So according to that condition, you have to find out what is the price for the parcel. You have
Ma'am,
to
I
pay.
have written in the chat box the
Okay, let me check.
Ma'am, set parcel weighing 1.
It is there the sum question number 2. Solve this according to the parcel rates. Not according to the letter weighing rates, according to the parcel weighing rates, because it's a parcel. Price is different. 15 grams or less than rupees 6, and for every additional 15 grams, rupees 3. Okay. And what was it was 35. What was the parcel weight?
Ma'am, now I have changed. It is 35 grams.
It is. Manya has written 70. Let's solve Manya's. Manya has written 75 grams. And the condition is 50 grams or less than 50 grams, rupees 8. And for every additional 50 grams, rupees 5. Okay. So Manya, you only explain me how we are going to do this. First, what you will subtract.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we will subtract 78
From
minus
78, what we will subtract?
from 78 we will subtract 50.
Yes.
So 28 will be left.
Okay. On this 50, how much you will charge? अगर आप साइड में प्राइस नहीं लिखोगे, you will not able to like
Yes.
link it. So what is the
Rupees
price on
8.
this 50 grams? Rupees 8. Next,
Now 28 minus 50.
how it is possible to subtract minus 50 from 28?
Yes, ma'am.
So this
So the
is less than, so you have to pay according to the second condition.
12.
5. So what is your parcel charges?
13 rupees.
Very good, excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am,
Yes, Mantra, speak.
can you tell the page number?
145. It's written on the board also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Moksh, can you explain yours?
Ma'am, it is 32 grams, the letter weighing. First, we will minus.
What are the conditions?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
that
condition
is
is 15 gram or less. Then 15 gram is rupees 6. And for every additional 15 gram, rupees 3.
Ma'am, Mok's answer is 12.
Okay, let me solve. So first we subtract what, Moksh, from 32?
Ma'am, we will subtract 15 for rupees 6.
What is coming?
Ma'am,
What 32 minus 15 is what?
yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
20.
20.
Ma'am, 70.
इतनी देर लगती है बेटा 32 minus 15 करने में.
Ma'am, 70.
70.
From that,
And now
ma'am,
what you will do?
ma'am, now we will again add 15, but for rupees 3.
What is remaining?
Ma'am, the remaining is 3. So we will again.
3.
Sorry, 2.
Ma'am, remaining is 2.
On this 2, how much you will charge?
Ma'am, it is 2, so we will
Ma'am,
again.
According to the second condition. इसमें subtract तो कर नहीं पाओगे, but you have to charge on this balancing grams also. And that balancing gram will be charged according to the second condition always, not according to first condition.
Ma'am, but Mok said the second question that 35, he said.
It's okay. He has done with the 32, so that also okay.
35 is also 12 answer.
Yes, 12 also, because the remaining will be different. So that also 12. So the answer is coming rupees 12 for the letter weighing.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other child will give me one sum?
Ma'am, I gave Alibaba.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Daniel.
Ma'am, I have given.
Okay, Vihan, I will check. Let her speak first. Yes.
Ma'am, 86 grams. 20 grams or less, 6 rupees. For every additional 20 grams, rupees 5.
Okay. So what you will subtract first?
86
20.
minus 20. 66.
Vedant, mute your mic, please. And turn on your camera, please. Vedant, Rajvi, Nikhare. Kevan. So what is 66? And on this 20, how much you are charging rupees?
Ma'am, 6 rupees.
Now you subtract.
And on rupees
20.
6, on the 6 minus 20, it will be 46.
On this 20, you will be charged how much amount?
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am,
No,
5.
Not
6
3,
rupees.
beta. आपने second condition तो 5 बोला.
5, sorry, ma'am.
5. Now subtract.
20.
So on this 20,
20.
you will be charged.
5.
Next, you will again subtract.
96 minus 20. It will be 6. 6. So it
Now
will
remaining
be
is
5.
6. On this 6, how much you will charge?
Ma'am, 2.
5.
Ma'am, 2.
5. Always according to the second condition. Her second condition was rupees 5.
And ma'am, total will be 26.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, everyone? Any doubt, any confusion to any child related to post? How to find the postal parcel grams?
I can see the 200 gram on the answer.
Yes, you solved it and tell me.
Answer is 17 rupees.
200 gram, the answer is 17. No.
Ma'am, the answer is 14 rupees.
Yes, the answer is 14 rupees. The one which he has done from the textbook. Manya, that is the related with the textbook, the question number 2. 200 gram is the parcel weight, and the condition is also related with the parcel weighing. On 50 grams or less, you have to pay rupees 5. For every additional 50 grams, rupees 3. So on first 50 you pay 5, next 50 you pay 3, next 50 you pay 3, and the next 50 you pay again 3. So like this, the answer is rupees 14. Am I clear with everyone? Is there any child who still has a confusion related with this?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I've also given a in the chat box.
Okay, I'll check it later. Thank you, students.
Excuse me, ma'am.
CET will be on Tuesday. Yes, Mani?